how to view the full Jimmy Jones menu on the website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to view the full menu on Jimmy Jones website, it's really simple. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and go to jimmyjones.com and you will see the menu option right in the top left beside the JJ logo. Just tap on it and then you can see menu that are separated by categories. So there are categories like toasted sandwiches, wraps, people's favorites, originals, combos, chicken, Lil Jones. Just tap on the one of your choice. And then once you open it, you can scroll down and see all of the items that are available in those categories. So you can just tap on view and then you can view what are included in this item and you can order pickup or delivery. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.